Hello and welcome. Today we are going to deal with part 3 of history chapter Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Let's get into this class.
Let's look at the Nazi worldview. The Nazi worldview was about racial hierarchy. First were the Nordic German Aryans, next were the colored people, and finally there were Jews.
Now he borrowed these ideas from Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Now Charles Darwin spoke about evolution of plants and animals through the process of evolution. And Herbert Spencer later brought an idea about survival of the fittest. Now, they never spoke about racism and people. They spoke about plants and animals. Hitler manipulated these concepts according to his thinking. Because according to him, Nordic Aryan race should be the leaders and the rest should not exist. Let's see further.
The other concept that Hitler brought into existence was geopolitical concept of living space, which he called it as Lebensraum, meaning living space. He believed that territories need to be expanded, and this idea was experimented and implemented in Poland. Let's move forward. Let's look at establishment of racial state. Hitler started to physically eliminate undesirable people. Who are these undesirable people? They were the Jews, Gypsies, Blacks, Poles, and Russians. Now they were greatly persecuted because Hitler wanted a pure and healthy Nordic Aryan race. Under euthanasia program, he killed physically and mentally unfit people.
When Hitler attacked Poland and Russia, he made the civilians, the common people of Poland and Russia, into slaves, and many died due to starvation. Hitler hated many outsiders, but he hated Jews the most. Now, Jews were stereotyped right from the medieval ages as Christ killer or as tax collectors who would take a lot of interest from people right from the medieval ages. Now, they were kept out from the main society in an area called as ghettos. Let's see how Hitler made their life even more difficult.
Between 1933 and 1938, Nazis pauperized, that means bring to absolute poverty, and segregated the Jews. Hitler even compelled the Jews to leave the country. Between 1939 to 1945, Hitler aimed at concentrating the Jews in certain areas and then killing them in gas chambers in Poland. Finally, let's look at racial utopia. Hitler attacked Poland and he made Poles, the people of Poland, to leave the country so that he could bring the Germans from Europe and make them settle in Poland. Now the Poles were given different areas, and this area was called as general government. Hitler did not only stop there, he killed well-educated and intelligent people of Poland.
Hitler did not even spare children. Now, Polish children who looked like Aryans were snatched from their mothers and were sent to race expert. And he would tell whether they were really Aryans or not. And if they passed the test, then they were raised in a German family or they were sent in an orphanage where mostly those children died. So that's it for today. See you next time. Take care. Thank you very much.